Hey everyone, today we are going to dive into the exciting world of engineering mathematics, specifically the lab components that you'll encounter in your first semester. These are the contents of the lab. Introduction. This provides an overview of the course, its objectives, and prerequisites. This part, Basics of Python, introduces the Python programming language, which is used for many of the labs. This section covers fundamental programming concepts like variables, data types, control flow, that is if-else statements, loops, etc., and functions. And the lab experiments, this lab one, 2D plots of Cartesian and polar curves. This experiment involves plotting different types of curves using Python libraries like matplotlib. Lab 2, mm, this experiment explores the mathematical concepts of angles, curvature, and radius of curvature in polar coordinates. Lab 3, this focuses on calculus concepts related to multivariable functions. Lab 4, Taylor series expansion and L'Hospital's rule. It covers advanced calculus topics like Taylor series and limits. Lab 5, this deals with solving and visualizing differential equations. Lab 6 to 10, these cover various numerical methods and linear algebra concepts, including solving systems of equations, finding eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and using numerical methods for differential equations. And stream-specific labs, computer science and engineering labs related to number theory, that is GCD, and linear congruences. Electrical and electronics engineering labs focused on numerical integration and geometric calculations. Mechanical and civil engineering labs involving differential equations and oscillations. Overall, it provides a solid foundation in Python programming, numerical methods, and calculus, which are essential for engineering students.